Null values in a data frame signify missing or undefined data, severely hindering data analysis efficiency. They lead to inaccuracies, errors, and biased models, making handling crucial for reliable insights. The primary methods are dropna, to remove rows or columns containing nulls, suitable for minimal loss, or fillna, to impute missing values using strategies like the mean, median, or a constant.
Fillna often preserves more data for richer analysis. To illustrate, we'll now load Seaborn's TIPS dataset to identify and address its null values. Null values in a loaded data frame represent missing or undefined data points. In the example, we deliberately introduce nan, not a number, values into the total _ bill, tip, and sex columns of the TIPS dataset. The def, isnull.sum, and df.info outputs clearly illustrate the presence and count of these nulls, indicating which columns have missing data and how many entries are affected. Understanding where nulls exist is the first step in robust data analysis. The effect of null values on data analysis efficiency and accuracy is significant. While pandas functions like mean often automatically skip nan values by default, this can lead to calculations based on a smaller, potentially unrepresentative subset of your data, altering the results. For example, the mean total _ bill changes slightly when calculated on a data frame with nulls compared to the original. Moreover, many machine learning algorithms or specific data type conversions would fail or produce errors if nulls are not addressed, halting the analysis process.
Handling null values is crucial for data integrity and efficient analysis. There are two primary methods, dropna and fillna. Dropna removes rows or columns containing any nan values, as demonstrated by the reduced data frame shape and zero null counts after its application. This approach is straightforward and ensures only complete records are analyzed, but it can lead to substantial data loss if many rows have missing values, potentially reducing the statistical power or representativeness of the dataset.